This is my carrots from last year in my garden. You can see they're starting to grow a little bit. It's been minus 30, minus 40 degrees Celsius outside, and a lot of 20 and minus 10 all winter long. And it is March 5th or so right now. And these are my carrots that have been stored outside in an unheated garage. We have a heated part on the next part. The next building was right beside it, and we just cracked the door open a little bit, and so this is what they are. But they're beautiful. They're starting to grow a little bit, but they're dry and hard and crisp, so we've been using them for cut carrots. All we did was took them out of the garden, rubbed them off, dried them off, and then packed them with paper towel in between the layers in a plastic bag, and just kind of vented it open a bit and just had it out in this garage.